Knowledge Bank. Why do bats hang upside down? Answer. The legs and feet of bats are not strong enough to support standing or walking on ground. They cannot launch themselves into the air from the ground, and thus hanging upside down gives them a great way to fly swiftly. Why does a snake flick its tongue? Answer. A snake flicks its tongue in and out so as to pick up the scent of a nearby prey or predator. It helps the snake to detect whether it is a meal or an enemy. How do fish breathe underwater? Answer. Fish breathe in oxygen dissolved in water. While swimming, fish take in water and push it out through the gills. The oxygen passes from the water into the fish's blood inside the gills. At the same time, carbon dioxide passes from blood into the outgoing water. Why do spiders spin webs? Answer. A spider spins web to live on it and trap its prey. When an insect comes onto the web, it gets stuck in it. The spider then grabs the trapped insect and spins silk around it. It becomes spider's food. Why don't the birds get a shock while sitting on electric wires? Answer. A bird sitting on an electric wire has both its feet on the same wire. Since it does not touch ground, any other thing or another wire, there is no circuit for the current to flow and give an electric shock. What is a pantomime? Answer. Pantomime refers to a type of musical comedy on stage. It is derived from the Greek word pantomimos, which means imitator of all. It is a form of drama in which all artists act out a story through body movements and facial expressions without speaking any dialogue. Can any fish climb a tree? Answer. Mudskipper fish is the only type of fish that can climb a tree. It climbs with its leg-like fins sticking on with a kind of suction cup on its belly. How do strawberry plants grow? Answer. Strawberry plants do not need seeds to grow into new plants. They spread out shoots known as runners. On touching the ground, these runners develop into roots, leaves, and stems, forming new plants. Why do some plants have aerial roots? Answer. Some plants have weak stem, so they need support of aerial roots to keep them upright. For example, maize. Which comic character's middle name is Fauntleroy? Answer. Created in 1934 at Walt Disney Production, Donald Duck's middle name is Fauntleroy.